In the box, 15-foot high-speed premium HDMI cable, a male-to-a-male, for transmitting video and audio signals from source to display. Connects a variety of devices. Connect tablets, laptops and other HDMI-enabled devices to projectors, video conference systems, HDTV, monitors and more. Nylon braided jacket. Durable, double-shielded 30 Aruban Florence cable with nylon braided jacket and aluminum housing. Dynamic usability. Supports Ethernet, 3D, 4K video, and audio return channel, ARC, 30 Hz, 10.2 gigabits per second bandwidth. Plug-play design. No need for complicated drivers or setup time. Top reviews from the United States. Works just fine, very good price. Good HDMI cable. Used this on a Beelink SER5 mini PC AMD Ryzen 5 5560. The Beelink I bought did come with the HDMI cables in the box but did not know that at the time I placed the order. For what I paid for it, no problems here at all. Cheap and works well. Got the 6 feet version for under $4. It works just as advertised. It's currently in use connecting my laptop to a 60 inches TV as a second monitor.